So we have behind me here, this is a set of collapsible bleachers. This is like what you'd sit on at a high school sporting event. So you've got the sporting event, they take and roll the bleachers out, everyone sits there, and then the event is over, they roll them back so you can have more gym floor space. It's almost certain that no matter where you live, that these were made by a company called Hussey Seating that's located in North Berwick, Maine. They make these in Maine and install them all over the world. Now, the critical thing for these stands is when they're full of people, it's the game for the state championship, the home team scores the point that allows them to win the game, and what does everybody do at the same time? They stand up and they start jumping up and down. Now, what an engineer says, that puts loading on the stands. So, and as an engineer, especially if you're the right kind of engineer, you have the ability to estimate how much load that's putting on the stands. But you still need to be able to have the ability from time to time to check to make sure your calculations are right. And that's why Hussey Seating used this lab. What they did is they built one of their conventional stands here, so nothing special about those. Then we instrumented it to measure how much force there was in some of the critical components. We recruited a bunch of college students that jumped up and down on command while we took measurements. So this theme of engineers being able to take and estimate how things will behave, but still needing to measure how they behave is absolutely critical. One of the students who worked on this project, he goes by PJ for his first name, and he worked on this project here in the lab. I happened to be at Hussey Seating to meet with their president, Gary Merrill, and there was PJ there. He was dressed up like I am today. He had his sports jacket on and his tie. His hair was neatly combed. I go, PJ, what are you doing here? Well, I'm interviewing for a job. Well, who do you think hired him? Hussey Seating, because PJ already worked for them here in the lab. I see their president quite frequently, and I ask him, well, how's PJ doing? He's doing great. He says, we need more just like him. That's the kind of opportunities you can get by working in a lab like this.